Day copy and paste on Amazon. Is this for real? Yes, it is. You can make some money online. You can make money on Amazon right now. $110 per day, just copy and paste. So I'm going to give you some tools. I'm going to give you some bonuses. So make sure you stay all the way to the end because I'm going to give you the actual script that you can copy and paste and you can make this type of money. So if you don't apply this, of course it's not going to work. So make sure you apply everything that I'm going to share with you in this video and just watch the video all the way to the end. I know most of you try to skip through to go straight to the bonus, and then when you skip through and it doesn't work, then you say, well, I tried this method before and it did not. Well, you probably missed out half of all the information that's in the video. So don't try to skip ahead. Keep watching. Keep going all the way until the end. And if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. I create videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, all that type of stuff. But in this video, I'm not going to be talking about drop shipping. I'm not going to be talking about ClickBank. I'm not going to be talking about Max Bounty and all those stuff. It's strictly going to be on Amazon. So I'm going to share with you how you can make some money using a particular tool to get a lot of clients that will pay you handsomely $110 per day once they get this tool in their hand. And I'm going to give you the script, as I said before, and we're going to get rolling. So subscribe, like this YouTube channel, and make sure you drop a comment down below so that way I know that you've watched the entire video. So let's jump into the video right away. So over this particular website, this website is called Sellx, and you want to go to sellx.com. So sellx.com is an all-in-one tool that sellers, vendors, and agencies, they can use on Amazon. So everything that you need to succeed on Amazon. So there's a lot of people right now that are selling on Amazon, but for some reason they're not getting as much traffic. They don't know how to do Amazon SEO. They're not doing any research, keywords, and improve their rankings. So when they put products on Amazon, it doesn't sell as some people that's been there for a long time. So you can be a brand new person that's going to open up, let's say, an FB account, or you're going to be opening a way how to sell on Amazon. This particular tool can help you to scale your business to the next level. So it doesn't have to have a lot of experience. If you have the right tools, you can succeed and you can get the results that you're looking for. So you're going to improve like the cost and also to maximize your sales. So right here, they have a free trial going on right now, and these are some of the stats that you could see. So there's thousands of brands and agency that works with this company, and you can come through and you could see. So these are some of the different things. They have businesses that's selling through Amazon Seller. There's Amazon Central as well, and there's for agency representing vendors and sellers. So they have the agency type, they have the vendor type edition, and they also have the seller. So this, so far, they're supporting international markets. There's UK, there's Spain, there's a French flag as well. There's Italian, Canada, and of course the US. So these are some of the, in Asia, they're supporting India. So United Kingdom, there's Germany. So this tool, you could sign up for it, but you're not going to be signing up for it. This is not going to be you signing up for a particular tool for you to go on Amazon. What we're going to be doing is we're going to find people and find stores and people who are already selling on Amazon. So we're going to help them improve their sales. We're going to help them get to the next level. And that's going to be the main topic, is just to help them to grow so they could, state the art of data analytics, the security policy, all that good stuff when you try Sellx. I love the word, so Sellx. So as always, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom right here, and you want to click on the affiliate program. So the affiliate program, you do reach Amazon sellers, vendors, and agency. So this is an Amazon affiliate program where you're going to earn 100% commission on the first month for every new customer that you refer. So you're gonna get $110 every time you refer someone, and then it's gonna be 50% after that. So you get someone through the door, you make $110, and then after that it's gonna be 50%. So this is a pretty sweet deal because you can make residual income over and over again. This is like passive income. You do the work once and you can make money over and over again. So they offer 2 affiliate campaigns, and there's like unique bonuses that they have to offer. So they have the Sellers Edition. So the Sellers Edition, 100% one-time commission on the first month. So you get on average $110, and then bonus for annual contract, you get 50% upfront, making that 150% from the first customer. So 100% and then 50% right away out the gate, you're going to be making money. So if they sign up for the agency, and vendor edition campaign, this right here is huge. So you're looking at first month, you get 70%, 70% of the first month subscription, which is about $250 on average. So you're making more money if someone signs up for this, and additional $250 upfront for 12-month contract. So if you have more than 5 vendors, agency who became customers, you'll get a sweet $1,000. So I'm not going to tell you this is going to be easy, but if you hustle for this, you can make some good money. You can get money into your account and you can withdraw it, and you can do that. So all you have to do is just come over here and you can just sign up. If you got a PayPal account, this is the easy payment method that they use. So PayPal is not a payment option for you. You're going to have to find out to see exactly who or where they can pay you. The good thing about this, they have cookies. So your affiliate link is valid and it will be tracked 2 months for 2 months. That means a 60-day cookie lifetime. This right here is huge. So even if you get someone who signed up today, so all you got to do is just hustle, they're going to be cookied to that affiliate link. So later on, if they buy, you're going to get credit for it. So that's huge. So get as many people to be clicking on your affiliate link and at least sign up. They could just sign up for the free trial. They don't have to pay for anything right now. As long as they do that, they're going to be cookied to you. They can sign up and then you're going to be making money. That's how beautiful this thing is. And all you have to do is, if you want to become a Sellx affiliate, you come over here, you could sign up, make sure they check the approve the application, update your social security number and all that. That's if you're in the US. Anybody else, you're gonna have to, put in your information for your specific country. So there's absolutely no guaranteed. They're not gonna guarantee you to be approved for the request of the affiliate program. That's the only downside that I see with this tool, because they don't willy-nilly just approve people. So if you get approved, that's going to be a very sweet deal. And so due to security and cost reason, they only accept requests from owners of like blogs, websites, videos, and stuff. So if you got a YouTube channel already, they'll look at it and say, all right, maybe you can make a review about Sellx. If you have a blog, if you have a website, I think what you could do, you could just go to WordPress.com, create a nice looking blog, and what you could do is then apply for their affiliate program, and then you could just get signed up. So the payment, you get 100%. Payments are issued after 90 days in order for it to prevent fraud. So those are the 2 options that they don't willy-nilly just give out, and you can earn money and you can get paid in say 90 days. So you could stack up on that and you can make that money per day. And then once you withdraw that money, it's going to be a huge lump sum. So once you sign up for it, the next thing we're going to be doing is, as I said before, we're going to be copy and paste, and earn this money consistently over and over again. So we're going to head on over to Instagram. and we're going to find these sellers, because people are on Amazon consistently, and there's people on YouTube, on Instagram consistently. There's Amazon people, tons of different people on here. There's Amazon sellers all over the world. You could just type in Amazon reseller or Amazon seller. And once you type in Amazon seller, you could find the good old hashtag. Scroll all the way down. If you scroll down, you will see Amazon Sellers Club. You could click on that and see some of the things that pop up. There's people on here that is like Amazon. So some of these people, you could reach out to them. You just click on here. This girl is saying it's Monday. She have to drive to go deliver her boxes, hard work, all that type of stuff. And she's in Connecticut. Sweet. So she's here in the US. So it doesn't matter where they're from, you could reach out to them. So I put together this thing that you could copy and paste and you can use. Please tailor this to your liking. You don't want to just copy this word for word, because of course you don't want to be like the same person. So if you want to tailor it to your liking, you can go back over to the affiliate program, go to this tool, you can get some resources once you get approved, and then you could just copy this, and then you could just shoot it over. So this is the first part. All right, so let me separate this. Second part of the conversation. So I'm going to leave this in the description that you can use. So you can use this entire thing. So this is the first part. So this is first intro, right? So hey, their Instagram name, of course. Hope you're having a productive day, and sorry to disturb you. I see that you're an Amazon seller and you're one step away for skyrocketing your Amazon business. Let me introduce you to an all-in-one tool software, yada, yada, yada. This is too good not to share, and they have great reviews. This tool can help you increase to 42%. Would you be open to preview? So you're giving them an open conversation without you sending them affiliate link in their inbox. So if they reply, great. Some people will reply and some people won't. Some people will say, yeah, I will take a look. So if they do say that, then you're going to say, okay, John, Mary, whatever it is, here is the very popular tool that can help you scale your business. And then you drop your affiliate link right here. And then you write, let me know if you have any questions. So they can make a judgment to say, okay, I really like what this person is doing or not. Pretty simple. So all you got to do is just grind, find a lot of people, message them consistently. You can also find people on Facebook. So you can come over to Facebook. I see there's like FBA Amazon. You could join these groups, but make sure that if you're going to reach out to people, do it discreetly, because some of these admins, they will kick you out. So you can type in Amazon seller, and you can find different groups. So you can click on groups, and you'll see here's a group right here. There's a group right here. You could join these groups, go in there, reach out to people, and see if they are willing to, take the bait and everything. So that's all you got to do over and over again. So just copy and paste. You can earn, $100, $110 per day just by doing this. So again, comment down below if you really enjoy that video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I do answer any questions you may have, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks so much for watching that video about copy and paste on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. The name is Andre. If you want to know my #1 recommendation, check out the link in the description, and I'll send you that right over. Until then, see you on the next video. Peace.